Hi, my name is Kyla Plaxton from Acupressure Academy. I've helped thousands of people using acupressure points to heal various pain symptoms in their body. And today I'm going to show you or teach you how to activate pressure points that you're trying to do on yourself. So this video would be in combination with another acupressure tutorial video if you want to deepen your understanding, your learning and your strategy. Okay, so it's a three-point system. And before I get into it, I just want to ask you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell if you haven't already to make sure that you get notified if a new video comes out. Okay, so the three-point system is first, do the three-point checklist, which is if it's hard muscles, press hard. The second point is if it's a vulnerable spot or a vulnerable area, then go soft and slow. And you can work your way up to hard, but make sure you start soft and go very, very slow. And then that brings me to the three points, which is ask your partner or ask yourself if you're working on yourself how hard you like it or if you want softer, and then follow as instructed. Okay, so if it's a vulnerable area, I'll start nice and slow and then say, okay, how does that feel? And I'm like, okay, that feels better now. Okay, I'm gonna go in a little bit harder. Is that okay? And I push a little bit harder, and I'll kind of keep doing that for a little while, a couple of minutes, and really just listen to your partner's body and listen to your own body and trust that flow. Okay, it's really great intuition practice. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step is to breathe deeply. Okay, so how deep you can breathe equals how deep you can receive. And in this case, that means healing, okay, or moving of energy. This reminds me, take a nice deep breath for myself. And practice, breathing, if you can go even as deep down to your pelvic area, and practice just pushing your breath a little bit more deeper, okay? And the third step is to trust the pressure points and trust yourself. Okay, so the pressure points have been around for eons and are doing work. Every single pressure point has lots that it's doing. They're powerful, and I could get into it, but you don't need to know all that. Just know that they work and trust that, and then trust yourself. I bet you've been rubbing or itching or noticing or twitching an area where you come across and you realize that that's an acupressure point. Okay, so they're built in, they're already happening. We're just bringing them from old memory, old subconscious, maybe old lifetimes, I don't know, but bringing it to the forefront so that you can consciously and actively choose to activate and move those pressure points. Okay, so that's the three-step system to activate your acupressure point. Please make sure to like this video or dislike it if you don't like it. Subscribe below to support the videos coming out and staying up to date. Make sure you hit that bell also. The next video acupressure tutorial is going to be acupressure for rotator cuff injury. Okay, so you stay tuned for that one. And please share this with somebody if you found it useful and you think they would find it useful. If you found today's class awesome and you want to learn more, I have the 5-day neck and shoulder acupressure challenge available for absolutely free for you to really practice this more in your life in a supportive community and environment, where also I'm available once a week for a live Q&A session, or you can message and tag me in the Facebook group. Okay, so if you want to learn more, check out the description below and follow the link there to find your way there. I look forward to spending more time with you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to trust the points and trust yourself.